Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Astro A5 headset to your PC using an optical cable. Yes, it's still working in 2025. Straight go to the video. First, make sure Astro A50 headset is fully charged. You'll find the micro USB port for charging right on the headset. Plug it in, charge it up, and once it's ready, power it on using the button on the right ear cup. Next, grab the charging base station that came with your headset. On the back of the base station, plug into the micro USB cable. Connect the other end and USB A side into your PC or laptop. Now, switch the base station from console mode to PC mode using the toggle switch on the back. You'll see the indicator light change. This confirms you're in PC mode. Place your headset on the charging base. Make sure it aligns perfectly with the charging pins. Now, on your PC, go to your sound settings. Click the sound icon in your taskbar. For the output device, select Astro A50 Game. For the input on microphone, choose Astro A50 Voice. Last step, open the Microsoft Store and search for Astro Command Center. Install it, launch the app, and confirm your headset is detected and fully connected. And that's it. Your Astro A50 is now connected to your PC using the optical cable. Quick, easy, and fully functional. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.